Hi guys. Tonight we're gonna cook a stir-fry shin ramen. It's a gourmet spicy noodles with cheese on it. I think it's a Korean food. Yeah, it's Korean because it has a Hangul characters on it. Not sure how to pronounce blah blah blah. Anyways, my mom is boiling some water right now in the stove, and I'm still waiting for it for like about at least 5 minutes to bring it to boil. And right now to cook this, I think it's similar to the carbonara.
A few moments later.
It's done. Okay, is it done? I'm doing a taste test. Let's see if it's good than I had the last time.
Ang say flavor, ana?
I didn't read it.
I think it's cheese. Yummy. Can I have some? A little bit. Spicy? It's very spicy?
You can handle the
not too much.
spiciness. If you have a high spice tolerance, I guess you can handle it.
My first taste.
It's not really like the cheesiest I have. Is it spicy?
No. Wala hotdog, ano? Wala hotdog.
It's better if you partner it with an egg.
Bigla lang.
Sarap.